Did you get a message?
No message.
Who was it? Did it say who it missed? Who? Tim? Really? You want me to go head back that direction? I'll head back there.
All right.
Just wait here.
Yeah, we'll probably have to head back up.
Yeah, we'll just wait here. There's no sense in everybody running, you know.
No, because then everybody's going the wrong way and stuff, and oh, I'll be careful. What'd you say?
We have no cell service, so you can't call us.
I know. But I'll come back. I'm here, and then we'll have to run where we can get a phone. So, if we need to.
Came around pretty hot.
Yeah. You pretty banged up, or how you feeling?
My knee is killing me.
Your knee? Okay.
I'm grateful there was armor there, otherwise I think my knee would be gone.
You guys get it? It's kind of downhill. Hold on. But it's not too bad. Though to ride it back is just a long ways from home.
So that's at least your worries.
No, I know that. I'm just saying for us, we can get it back for her. Okay,
Knee hurts, she got a cut on her shin.
I've got my medical kit in Ashley's bike. They're about 10 miles up. So I came back. When we saw that you had the call, we pulled off, and then when we saw you had called, we pulled off, but there's no cell service where we're at, so that's why I came back.
Luckily we have good cell service.
Yeah. Should we roll this over off this road here? Well, I guess it's kind of guarding her though. Let's just leave it here. Okay. How bad's the cut?
You can see that's right.
Yeah. It's bleeding.
I grabbed her.
Not too bad though. As long as it's not gushing blood, don't do anything with it.
Yeah, and that's a pretty big dent, but...
How about your knee? Do you think it's cut or anything? Okay. Let me, I don't know how long it's going to take. Did you guys call 911 already? Or?
Yes, they said it's not too far from that way.
Okay. I'll go get,
Hopefully you haven't come back yet. They'll start, but maybe not.
well, I'll go get them, because like I said, they don't have cell service up there, and
Okay.
we'll figure out what to do.
She's talking, and she said,
Yeah.
but we didn't
Just
want
stay
to move
awake.
anything.
Yep.
She said her knee hurt, but then I grabbed something and got blood, so then I saw that. So that might be why her knee hurts.
I mean, don't move.
No, my
Just
knee hit the cliff.
you've got adrenaline going too though, so don't move,
Right.
just in case.
Yeah.
So it could be I don't see any scuffs on your helmet, so hopefully your head didn't hit.
Yeah, she kind of flipped. I mean, the whole bike flipped. She really hit back there.
I don't see any bad scuffs on the helmet though, so hopefully you kind of missed your head. Okay, I'll go get them and let them know what's going on. We'll probably have to call a wrecker to come get the bike, even though it's rideable. Even though it's rideable, we don't have anybody to ride it. Okay. Thanks for stopping, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Anytime. First we thought it was through the phone company, then we saw the one bike, right? Uh-oh.
Well, it's crazy that she made it this far through the curve before she crashed. But
Move our bike now because it's not right by a vehicle.
Yeah.
I'd probably put it ahead of the truck there. I'm gonna go get the rest of our group. I'll be right back. Oh. Christine crashed bad.
Huh?
Christine crashed bad.
Bad?
Yep. She flipped her bike over and everything.
Is she like alert and awake?
She's alert. There's a whole ton of, there's like the park people are there.
The EMS just came through
Yeah.
here. It's not that far up.
But we
is
got to
it?
go up there and get her bike hauled away.
How the hell are we
We
gonna
can't.
do that?
We're gonna have to call the tow company. They got cell service up there, so
Okay.
it's rideable, but we don't have anybody to ride it. So
Yeah.
Right.
if we could find somebody's house we could leave it at and come back and get it, but I didn't see any houses on the way from there.
Could we bring it here? And well, that's
But we don't want to
too
leave it lay.
far.
Somebody will steal it.
Yeah.
You got to have it at somebody's
We
house.
have to tow it. We'll have to
Yep.
tow it to.
Just
our
take it to our
place.
place. Yep.
Or tow it to one of these towns and come back with the trailer.
Somebody will
Yeah.
steal it.
No, but like the EMS place or something, if
How-
we could leave it there.
Somebody just, it won't cost any more to have it towed all the way back to where we're going. Once it's on the once it's on the hook, it's nothing. So,
All right.
but we better go up there. We'll have to wait for them to come to get the bike, and
Is there a place to pull off up
there's
there?
pull off right there. And I don't know how she did it because she's past the curve. She's way past the curve, halfway down the straightaway.
Huh.
It's weird.
No.
I don't know. Don't, oh, Peggy, don't go sideways like that. Yeah, you're good.
And also, she should have been, you know, like riding her ride. It's our friend. I'm just parking on the road here.
take any chances with her. I just want to go ahead and get her there. So
Unless I'll take all of it.
I do think she's got an injury to her knee. It might be broken. So I know that for sure. Her back's hurting and her ribs are hurting. So that's why I really want to just go ahead and get her to that hospital. Okay.
I'm thinking we get her on the backboard. Like this, a backboard.
There's blue ones in there.
I don't remember what color hers were. They're kind of goofy.
Yeah. I so wanted to make jokes with her.
Kids, what good is that doing you?
What?
Pretty much with it.
What good is what?
Your camera.
Oh shit.
That's why I said, do you want a photo op of this?
My bad.
Like, what good does that do?
I don't know, babe. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. She'll be okay.
Did you shut it off? Shut it off. Yeah.
Back down, taking a left, right?
Yeah, she wants me to follow.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and get you to follow.
You can cruise now. I'll be off.
Thank you.
Hi, where's Cooper?
You guys are from all over the world. Thank you again. I mean, she was lucid the whole time.
Yeah.
You know, apologizing to me.
Well, and then she's like apologizing.
For
Right.
what? She's like, I'm so embarrassed. And I'm like,
Right.
no, there's no way you should be embarrassed about this. Like the guy.
The saying
he was
goes,
like, hey,
it's not if you crash.
That's
I
all
don't
she had.
either.
She had.
yeah. But she was all embarrassed and everything. And they let you
It seems like it's
Aaron just said Grandma tried to FaceTime me.
There he is.
No?
So this is the bike that went down right here.
Okay. What was it?
Coming around that.
Y'all coming in for it?
Yeah.
Watch the cars.
They won't. They should. Will one of y'all mind to look and see if she might have an insurance card or something? Or registration?
I just have to go through and see bags. I don't know.
No, well, I'm sure it does open, but there's no storage underneath it.
Yeah, you put your just your information underneath there, so it's good at all times.
She probably had it all in her wallet.
There's a copper seat. I bet you it's under the seat.
Taken off.
Because I gave her your wallet, your ID. Yeah.
She's got nothing in
There we go.
It is.
Registration. I don't know about it.
Here you go, sir. Since you're behind her, fill that out for me.
Okay.
There's one right there.
I need my glasses.
Yeah, basically it scuffed the exhaust, broke her shift lever, bent her crossbar, and bent her handlebars back. And that's really
Your tail lights are gone.
tail turn signal.
Nothing on this side?
Well,
Nothing,
her peg is bent down, but I'm wondering if that's when she hit, if her foot bent it down.
Yeah.
There's nothing
It's
else.
stuck down, but yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, like I said, I could ride it home.
Sorry? Okay.
Passenger with us
All
if we
right.
ride, but we don't, so we'll have to have it towed.
And I know that they said that they were gonna call, but that's fine. How far is that from here?
Greenville?
Yeah.
Higher probably. I'd say you best bet they go out 276 probably. Instead of going all the way back into Asheville and all that.
You best bet 276, go down to
I think that's where we were headed.
To get to Whittier?
No.
Oh,
Greenville.
Greenville, that's where we
Yeah.
flew.
Flew
Oh,
her to
okay.
Greenville.
You guys aren't going to go back and get a vehicle first?
Oh,
Yeah.
no way am I riding there.
I was going to say, yeah, so we'll head this way to get back to Whittier and then.
Yeah.
I feel bad for you. You have to see it.
I mean, really, that's what she said. I mean, really, she was on two wheels. Yeah, so I go watch it. Like I said, I was far enough behind. As she went in the dirt, she jumped up.
Right?
That was more of the dirt, like right where he is, where then it cuts back in, and she hit that dirt. So she was still kind of off the land. Almost, and I can't remember, did it tumble sideways or tumble end over red? Yeah, it was one of those things. Get on my bike and get a right and get over to luckily nobody was coming.